So here again we have the Halo Harp prototype. This is the second generation of the digital design. This one is built around the Arduino Nano microcontroller. I have recently made some major bug fixes and a few additions to the code. So it has different modes that it functions in. Right now it's in single note mode. So if you trigger a light string, it just plays a single note. Now if you want to change modes, you can trigger that by hitting two light strings in combination. I chose the third and the fourth, which is a little reference to the Gradus ad Parnassum, me against fa is the devil in musica. And it acknowledges that you're switching modes. Now it's in chord trigger mode. So it's actually hitting, now that's a diminished chord. It hits different types of chords depending on which light string you've triggered. So in this case this would be C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, and B diminished. And those are the chords that are diatonic to C major. Of course you can switch it to any key you want to play in, and it'll play the chords that are diatonic to that key. Now if you want to do something more interesting and have it automatically arpeggiate the chords, you can switch to the third mode, and now the chords will be automatically arpeggiated in a random fashion. So that's basically what we have going here. I think the next step really is to make this thing a little bit smaller and a little bit more professional looking. As you can tell, it's hard to reach across with it being as big as it is and trigger one of the light strings without inadvertently triggering one that you don't want to trigger. But this will not be a problem on the production version, because the production version will be about the size of a woman's compact or so. Oh, and as always, we have this plugged into Apple GarageBand. Hello, Boots, where you can see all the notes that are being triggered. And of course that's also accomplishing the synthesis, and you can select different software instruments. So yeah, more soon.